Welcome back guys, Kira with Thieves Cosplay here, and I've got a whole new series of tutorials to share with you for my new Madame Olivia from Sea of Thieves cosplay. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description for all the videos and stay tuned for future ones. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made the earrings that all of the Order of Souls merchants wear in the game. I didn't want them to be too heavy, so instead of using polymer clay, I tried out Crayola's model magic. You can easily mold and manipulate it like clay, but it air dries fairly light. I used the gray, but you can use whatever color you want. I rolled out a long thin strand and simply molded it into the diamond-like shape, flattening it a little on the long sides. I turned up one end because that is where I'll have to attach the earring posts. Then I made a duplicate. Once I had the right shapes, I let them completely dry. This took about 2 days. Then I painted them completely with Folk Arts brushed metal paint in dark gray. Later, dabbing on a bit of highlights in the brushed metal pale silver color, and added details and light distressing with the brushed metal paint in black. Once everything was dry, I sealed it all with Mod Podge. I attached the earring post with some E6000 glue, then realized I didn't like how the earring ends didn't connect, which is how they should look. So with some more E6000, I glued the ends together and liked the result a lot more. Then they were all done. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out on social. Also feel free to have a look at all the other Sea of Thieves cosplay tutorials in the playlist linked below. See you next time!